God dang it, Bobby, you never smashed down your meat. Oh, I hate to disagree with you, Hank, but today we're making smash burgers on the griddle. I don't think you had those in Arlen. So look, you do onions real thin, then we're going to put down a thick cut bacon. Then we're going to cook these onions with some sugar and some butter right in the fond that the bacon left on the griddle. Get a real nice caramelization on them. Give our bacon a flip. Don't want to burn it. Now with these meatballs, I want to go about 3 ounces, loosely packed 80-20 ground beef. Mayonnaise on a brioche bun. If you've never toasted with mayonnaise, give it a try. Don't knock it until you've tried it. Trust me, look at how they turn out. Delicious. The mayonnaise and the butter and the brioche. A little more bacon grease to make it healthier. Add some mushrooms down, some tots on the big green egg, just because we can. This is gas house. We're going to always use the egg whenever we have a chance to fire up the egg. Here comes the fun part. 8 of the meatballs down, smash them as thin as possible with the big green egg smasher. Parchment paper in between so they don't stick. You could also use a spatula if you want, if you don't have a smasher. Salt and pepper on each one. We use Lane's brisket rub. Look at the crust. Holy smokes, folks. A little bit of cheddar cheese. Then we're going to double them up on top of each other. Oh my lord. Don't tell me these aren't juicy. Don't tell me these are dried out burgers. Look at those things. Look like they're straight out of a diner from 1950. One of them's a triple. That one's an onion burger, no cheese for our lactose intolerant employees. A little bacon, mushroom. Now you got to try this if you've never done it before. You're doing the bun inside out. We call it an inside out burger. So we got our Swiss cheese, our burger on what looks like the bottom of the bun, caramelized onions. And we'll put the top bun on after the bacon, and it's again inside out. So you got the part that's toasted on the outside, almost like a patty melt, kind of Frisco melt type thing. And just look at the color on this. You get a really nice crunch when you bite into it. Definitely fun to show your guests. Gives you something different, and it's a must try with your burgers on the griddle. So top everybody with a bun here. Bring them inside. We got some hungry men here at the gas house. Gonna spice them up a little bit with some barbecue sauce. So bacon, barbecue, mushroom, Swiss. This is basically a Big Mac smash burger. Special sauce, pickles, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions, all on a brioche bun. And that's as good as it gets. Yep. Yep. Yep.